Amalungu eCOSATU angene emgwaqeni ezwakalisa ukukhathazeka kwawo ngokumb'eqolo kwentengo kapetrol kuleli. Unobhala jikelele weCOSATU umnumzana uBheki Ntshalintshali uthi uma uhulumeni engangeneleli manje lokho kuzokuba ke nemphumela engemihle neze emnothweni wezwe.
The country is in crisis. The issue must be addressed. The president must have to intervene. He can't just throw his hand in the air and say certain ministers are responsible. We think the cabinet, the parliament is responsible for this.
UNtshalintshali uphinde wanxenxa abe competition commission ukuba ke babhekisise ukuthi kungani ezinye izinhlobo zokudla sezimb'eqolo kangaka.
The high prices that we have seen, particularly on food, suggest to us without actual information, without facts, whether it has been increased to the same level of the petrol price. In other words, are they not sucking? Are they not putting higher than the impact of the petrol price? We think they can make a random samples and be able to determine that and be able to say those who are doing it, because we strongly believe there are people who are taking chances on this.
ICOSATU ixwayise ngokuthi ke uma ingazitholi izimpendulo kulokho ekufunayo izoqinisa kakhulu lo mkhakaso wayo. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya, izindaba zeSABC, iseThekwini.